cold presses them, and delivers 500 almonds per bottle. 500 almonds per bottle. Now, this is the flagship product. They've also branched out to... There's Nigel right there. Hey, Nigel! They've also branched out to Jessica's pain-free peppermint, luscious lemon, and love me lavender bath bombs, among few. She's got all kinds, but these are the flagship bath bombs, and now they're infused with the oil. They're vegan, Jamaican almond oil made, also baking soda, cornstarch, citric acid, vegan coloring, and essential oils. Now, not only does did she come up this year with these wonderful bath bombs, but Nigel also has created a new formula made especially for the guys. You want to talk about it, Nigel? Your mustache and beard oil. Yeah.
So, when I first, Jamaica, when I first came to America, I never had a beard. So I always wanted to grow a beard. So I started researching because I realized that the beard game here is no joke. So, based on my research, some of the most powerful hair growing oil that I find, I got them and combined them into this little bottle right here. Oil like neem oil that is wonderful for split ends and break ends. Jamaican black castor oil that my grandma makes. It's wonderful for detoxifying the scalp so the hair can grow at its fullest potential. Moringa oil, it tightens up the skin, and because we're guys, we want to look young same way, and alright. So we also have Nigel's Jamaican almond oil in here, where the almond oil is also a carrier oil, so it helps to thin the castor oil and the neem oil out, so you can apply and don't have to wash off instantly. Alright, so you can, right after shower, you can apply, you can go to work, you put it on, go to work, you won't be